Hey everybody, hope you guys healthy and safe. So this is a Xiaomi 17 Ultra Global Edition, and I have a confession to make. I am not a fan of this green colorway at all. This one also comes in a black color that I think just looks much better. But of course, this is all personal opinion. Maybe you think this green colorway looks great, but just not my cup of tea. The good news for me is Xiaomi has launched two official cases for the Xiaomi 17 Ultra, and the cases come in black, which will effectively cover up the green color that I don't like. And the cases are very nice too, so let's do an unboxing. Okay, so we have here the Xiaomi 17 Ultra photography kit and the photography kit Pro. Most of you guys watching this are probably familiar with the Pro because this is the two-piece kit that Xiaomi has launched for the last several generations of Ultras. It's just that before, Xiaomi didn't call that the Pro, it's called that the standard kit. So I think what Xiaomi's doing now is it's upgraded this kit to the Pro to make room for this slimmer, lighter, more affordable standard photography kit. So we'll check out this one first. So we have the case right here. It has that nice two-tone finish that I like from the black model. You have vegan leather finish right here, and this is plastic. You'll see this part sticks out a little bit. It provides a little bit of a grip. And you have a camera shutter button here, but you can see obviously this shutter button is very small and narrow. It's nothing like what you can see in the Pro model later. You also have a dedicated video recorder button, and volume rockers and power button are covered. So you see there's a pogo pin right here that I believe just connects to the phone's back via NFC. So I think as soon as I snap it on, it should allow me to control the camera app. So once the case is on, you can take photos with the shutter button right here. And this little bump gives you a little bit of a grip, but to be honest, the grip isn't that much. Like, it's still a little bit slippery. Like, you're still gonna have to press your thumb against the top of the case to get a secure grip if you want to use it with one hand. But the benefit of this case is you can keep this on full time. Like, this doesn't add a lot of bulk. You have a little hole right here for like a string and lanyard, so you can, I'm pretty sure it's included in here somewhere. Yep, so you have a lanyard here that you can just loop through to the hole like this for you to put your wrist through. So this is the standard photography kit. Now let's check out the bigger brother, the Pro. So this should look very familiar to people who follow my work because Xiaomi's done this type of case a few years now. So you just snap it on, just like that. This case has a different texture to the standard case. It has this fiber texture on the back. And you have this kind of matte coating over, I mean, it's all plastic here, but it feels a little bit more premium than plastic. All the buttons are protected. You have a bumper protecting the ring. This can be removed. Now this is only half the case, of course. There's also the camera handle that you just slide in. It connects via the USB-C port. Once it's connected, there's also a battery in there that will charge the phone a little bit. And then you see you have a dedicated shutter button that supports half press and full press. So you can half press to start focusing. And I can also control zoom level by pulling left to right on the dial right here. And you have a dial here to adjust exposure or shutter speed. You have a dedicated recorder button. And then what's new this year is this little thumb plate. It's a little metal plate here that allows you to, when you hold onto the phone, you just press your thumb against the plate to give you better one-hand grip. Like, it's a lot more secure than the standard kit. Down here, you also have a little two holes here for the lanyard and a charging port because this handle has a battery inside. So once it's connected, you can just long press on the shutter button to directly jump into the camera app. Let's check out what else is in the box. Okay, so this is cool. So you have an extra 67mm filter thread. This, you can swap out this ring. Let's do it right now. You can swap out this ring. You just need to line up the red dot. Ring. Lock into place. And then now you can put on things like an ND filter or a UV filter right here. It's a 67mm filter thread. And you also have these. These are decorations for the shutter button. So I'm going to use the red one. So shutter button's right here. You just kind of screw it on. After that, you have a flashier shutter button. Like, it looks nice. And you have a lanyard. Okay, this lanyard, it's a little bit more premium than the standard kit's lanyard. So the rope is thicker, and you can also adjust this part. So this is the Xiaomi 17 Ultra Photography Kit Pro, and this is the Xiaomi 17 Ultra Photography Kit. Obviously, this is going to be more affordable, but I think if you can if you're gonna pay to get an extra accessory, you might as well go all out and get this guy. So anyway, I also have a full video testing the 17 Ultra. I think that video should already be live on the channel. If not, it'll be live pretty soon. So do stay tuned and check that out if you can. And if you're interested in more content like this, please consider subscribing to my channel. It will help me a lot. Thanks for watching.